We spoke to Dr. Naresh Trehan, the doctor who is attending on Anna Hazare just a while back. Here's what he had to tell us.
We have with us the man of the moment, Dr. Naresh Trehan, who helped keep Anna Hazare going and monitored his health through his 13-day fast. Dr. Trehan, what do you think kept Anna Hazare going?
His own will, his own Shakti, which he says it describes as Brahmachari Shakti, and he has remarkable control over his body, and he's okay. He's made it.
But does the biology and medical things explain some of what is happening?
Let me explain something to you. I am his physician. I cannot discuss Anna ji beyond a point of giving his health bulletin. It is not my job. It is patient privacy. I have to tell you that look, he maintained himself. He had some power in him with which he used to regulate his own fluids, and he has been able to maintain his balance. So medical science may not fully understand, but like he explained, it's Brahmachari Shakti, and truly he has managed to live on his own reserves, and he has paid a price for it. He has lost 7.5 kilos. So his blood test and his blood pressure and all that is okay because he was actually using the energy of his own body and has survived on it. And
he was in catabolic condition.
Yes.
And
okay.
how long do you think will you keep him in hospital?
We don't
How
know.
Is he doing just now?
We have started his feeding slowly with fluids, and as long as it takes to get him to normal state, he can stay. It's his choice.
And a lot of people say that in the last few days he was taking some kinds of electrolytes with his water. You were his treating physician. Do you have any clue, was he on electrolytes?
I don't think that's true. People cannot accept things which they don't understand. I have no idea, and I don't think so. In my opinion, there is no indication to say he was on electrolytes.
You have treated 65,000 patients for cardiac surgeries. Was this one of your most difficult cases to handle him in trying to keep him going?
No. I had a team of 36 doctors who were supporting him, checking him out. We had very little to do but just to monitor him so that he would not get into trouble. And that's what we were doing. It's not difficult for us. It was physically demanding for all of us. The 36 doctors worked around the clock to monitor him properly. And fortunately, we could get him through.
Overall, what was your experience? So that was Dr. Trehan telling us that Anna Hazare is in hospital, being treated, being taken care of, and he doesn't know how much time it will take for him to recoup from his 13-day fast, which Dr. Trehan says was an enigma to him. In Gurgaon, Pallav Bagla for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.